Hey, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to talk today about the Amazon Associates program. The other day I ran into a few problems trying to receive payment, so I contacted them and figured out what the problem was. And then so today I'm going to share a little bit about some of the rules and policies they have in place, and hopefully that helps you too. Let's get into it. Do not use the word Amazon or anything associated with Amazon in your username. That also ties into you don't want to mislead customers into thinking that you're Amazon. Once you've been approved for your associates program, you have about 180 days to make a sale before they review that and then possibly cancel. You also don't want to state the price anywhere because prices are subject to change. Don't use any third-party software to modify the links. Actually, the Associates homepage has a link modifier, so you could get a shorter link if you need. You're also not supposed to give rewards or incentives for people to use your link. I'm pretty sure that happens, but if they ever get caught or Amazon decides to, they could actually cancel their associates. Also, do not use your own link or tell your friends and family they can support you with your link. You must state and identify yourself as an associate where people can see it. So if you're using a blog, it's like the header or footer, or in a YouTube video, it's in the description. Amazon does not want you promoting your links inside of emails, like if you have an email list, or on a public website that's not yours, like such as a forum. You can give your review of a product, but you cannot quote other people's reviews while reviewing products. You cannot direct links towards children under 13, so if you're reviewing toys or video games, it needs to be directed at their parents or guardians. In the same regards, no violent or sexually explicit websites will be allowed in the Associates program. Remember to follow all the rules. If you have any questions, you can contact the help option from the home page. So just to give a brief tutorial on how to copy links, from the home page you'd select the product links, drag that down, and it would go to the next page, which then you can search for an item where it says keyword search. Just type in what you're looking for. I think I use a protein powder as an example, and then it gives you options. So you would choose whichever option you're looking to link to, and then get the link. And it'd take you to this next page, and you have a couple options. You have either the text and image, text only, or image only, and then you can select one of the three, and then you can choose to have a standard link or a short link. This is acceptable. I usually use the short link for the YouTube videos, so that's pretty easy. And then here's the help page where you can contact Amazon Associates if you have any questions or concerns. Feel free to go ahead and put some comments down in the description, and if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.